Hi there. In this video I am going to show you how to create a social media QR code. This type of QR code will link all of your social media pages in one QR code. Whether you are a business, a celebrity, or an influencer, and you want to triple or quadruple your followers, using a QR code that will link all of your social media pages together is essential. Let's have a look how it works. Here, you can choose to upload a profile picture of your landing page. Just click on Upload Image and choose an image. You can also add a header text to greet your customers once they land on your page. And here, you can see all the social media platforms you can add. Start by adding the link to your Facebook page, Instagram page, and Twitter profile. Then, you can choose to also add more platforms like your YouTube channel. When you are done, click on Generate. Here, we have 4 menus you can click to open. We have Choose Patterns, Choose Eyes, Add Logo and Set Colors. Let's pick a pattern. And then select how the eyes will look like. If you have a logo, click on Add Logo, and choose an image. Last step is really fun. You can choose the colors. In this QR code, I will be using a color gradient. And I will have its gradient type from left to right. You can also choose to save this QR code as a template. Here you go, all done. Now click on the green button to download your QR code. You will be redirected to the Track Data page, where you can track the data of your QR codes. On the left, you will find the menu of all the different categories of all campaign data. And then, you can see all the social media QR codes and campaigns you've created. You can edit your campaign name and also delete it if needed. Here you can see the total number of scans. You can also choose to edit your QR code. You can update existing information or add more social media channels. You can download a PNG or SVG format of your QR code. SVG is a vector format and better if you like to print your QR code. The last button is Data. If you click it, you can see more precise data of the QR code. Here, you can group your data by 1 day, 1 week, months or years. You can also download your data in CSV format by clicking this button. First you can see the time chart which shows the total scans per day over the month. As you scroll down, you can see the device chart which shows the device type of the scans. And lastly, we have the map chart which shows the location of the scans. Under the map chart, you can see in which exact cities people have scanned your QR code. This video gives you an overview of how to create a social media QR code. Enjoy making your social media QR code on QR Tiger. Cheers!